Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this beautiful carpet that I have downstairs in my daughter's play area. This is a 5x7 by Pyramid International. It is a beautiful carpet. This is the turquoise and orange, but it has so many different colors in it. It is beautiful. I like the fact that you can have this in any room. Underneath is great. You can see it's got all the gorgeous stitching. It's thick enough to keep your feet nice and warm if you are on hardwood or tile. I put it in my daughter's play area because it's gorgeous with all the different colors. Kids always have so many different color toys, so it suits it very well. It's very easy to vacuum and keep clean. It has lasted me for a very long time. I like that you're able to put it, whether it's a living room, dining room, it suits almost anything. I love the fact that my daughter loves it. It's got a lot of different colors. It's got the burgundies, the teals, the blues, and it's super, super soft on your feet. But that's just my point of view.